Hey kids, we're back with the instrument of the day. Yeah, joining me, Jerry the Froggy, and I'm Lorne, the Mystic Drumz. Yes, we're going to outer space today. And to go to outer space, it's always good to bring some family along. So let's see who's joining us. We've got Harry. All right, good stuff, Harry. And why don't you just bounce into the outer space watching zone from the back. Oh, nice. And we also have big sister Sari. Very nice, Sari. Have you ever been to outer space? Really? Every time you look into your brother's eyes, he takes you to outer space? That's funny. You know what you get for that? You get a whoa, back into the back seats. And someone who really actually is in outer space all the time, the craziest of them all, it's Martin the bear. Oh yeah, here he is. Martin the bear. You love being in outer space. Yeah, because you're cuckoo in the canucoo, buddy. All right, why don't you give Jerry a ride here, and we'll get everybody in the back so we can watch and enjoy our newest instrument hanging out with us today, a Galaxy percussion instrument. Here it is. Oh, there. Don't it just look like some planet up in the galaxy? Maybe it's got an orbit spiraling around. Something very interesting with this instrument. Well, with all instruments, there's a secret. We're searching for the secrets. We're looking for the sounds. And what's this sound? There's something in there. Yeah. It is full of water, and that's going to affect the sound. As the water travels throughout this metal object, it creates pockets and open resonating chambers, and that changes when I hit it. So if I hit it here, it sounds different than when I hit in the same place here. That's a crazy sound effect. That's out of this world. A lot of instruments are, and we've got those instruments coming right at you. So don't forget to like and subscribe below. Kapow, tazooey, kabam, bam, boom.